I inhaled the fumes. Throat closing. I can't breathe. Must drink milk to neutralize the effect. Close one. Almost died. Titans, trust me, you do not want to get into the spice game. It is a never-ending escalation of spice that leaves you spicier and spicier until you don't know what spice is anymore. No, the true spice of life is routine. Look, it's 7:15. You know what that means. Bedtime!
Vegetables, 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 vegetables! What are you guys doing?
Ever since we ate our first vegetable, he has been whispering to us.
He?
Yes, he. If we do not defile our bodies and eat only vegetables,